Man, you don't got no kind of bitches, boy.
Can y'all stop making all the noise in front of my house?
Anyway.
Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord.
How you doing?
I'm coming down. I'm coming
For
down.
what?
Because y'all making all that noise.
All that no. Come on, Lex. We ain't make that
Y'all
time.
stop making all that noise.
Hey, Lex. First of all, you come downstairs.
Listen here, thunder and rain.
Man,
I'm
fuck
upstairs,
all.
I can't see. Because y'all now ain't making all that noise. I'm trying to get clapped, and one of y'all got to get clapped.
Oh, well, goddamn. What the fuck? Hold on, first of all.
I told you, stop
wait a
doing
minute.
it.
You worried about the wrong shit.
Say what?
You worried about the wrong shit.
Say what?
You worried about the wrong shit.
Ah, that's what I'm back to do. And I'm finna call the cops on y'all
Fuck the
too.
police. That sounds real.
I'm finna go back
They
now.
get the smoke too. And it's public property.
Public that.
Oh, fuck it. Get your ass back up.